In this video, we will look at installing contracts on Casper. To install a contract in global state, you need to send a deploy to the network with the contract wasm. You can do so by using the Casper client and its put deploy command. To verify the deploy, you can call the get deploy command and provide the deploy hash you received. Next, let's query global state to see when the network has successfully installed the contract. After sending deploys to the network, you must get the new state root hash to see the new changes reflected. The state root hash identifies the current network state. It is much like a git commit for commit history. It gives us a snapshot of the blockchain at a moment in time. We use the state root hash to query global state after sending deploys to the network. To find your account details, query global state using your account hash. Notice that the sample response contains several named keys including counter, counter package name, and version. You can use these values to query the contract state further. Let's query global state given a contract hash. Next, let's query a named key associated with the contract using the queue option. Here we query the count variable. This is a variable we stored under the contract's named keys. It is also possible to check the state of a specific contract variable given the account hash under which the contract was installed. Here we query the named key count stored under another key identifying the contract, and this other key is called counter. To summarize this video, we have seen how to install a contract and query different named keys and details associated with it. We haven't yet called the contract's entry points. We'll do so in the next video. We'll also talk about different ways of calling the contract to invoke its functionality.